Ford F-150 wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Use a cross spanner to loosen the lug nut on the wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Using a cross spanner to remove lug nut on the wheel side. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Ford F-150 wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. The FT cooling feature is a key advantage of BONOSS Ford F-150 wheel spacers. These wheel spacers are designed with pedal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air removes the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use the torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use the torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving. Let's see what is the difference after installing the Ford F-150 wheel spacers. The F-150 wheel spacers put the wheel out slightly, giving it a more sporty look.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!